So I'm taking a stroll through Miami. So this, I don't even know if this is considered Brickell or Miami. Somebody didn't know how to cast their rod. So yeah, kind of showing you guys what that looks like. And you know, there's a lot of building. See all of this? A lot of building in place. Everything is brand new. And it's pretty beautiful, man. So just taking a break. Shit's a little crazy. So yeah, I don't even know what I should talk about. So I guess we can get started with UPS. So UPS, so people have taken interest, right? Because it just popped, and obviously it was in a downward trend. It just broke out of the downward trend. So now what people need to look at is they need to expect the high of this move. And the high of this move, I think it was 119 or 109 or something like that. So that's the next move up that you should be expecting. You do not take positions unless it hits the Fibonacci retracement level of 61%. So that's number one. So if you don't get 92, you don't go in, right? They need to pull back. But if the pullback doesn't happen, which if it doesn't, it doesn't. It's not guaranteed, but if it doesn't happen, then you need to look for the retest of the high of this move. So when the high of this move happens, you want to keep that up. So you want to wait for a retest now, right? Your resistance becomes now support. So moves through the 109 layer, pulls back a little bit, and if it bounces on that 109 level, take another position, right? We already have a position. So this for us has nothing to do with, let me see, This for us doesn't have anything to do with entrance, because we already have the shares, we already have the position. We have a full position on this. And what we need is, essentially we're just looking for retracements. So a retracement will be something like the 109 level. So we need the 109 level, right? We have the 112, we have and then above. So we'll probably start selling around 120, or sell half position, right, at 140, and then continue to 156. Or we might not sell at all. If we see that this stock is actually not, it's not breaking down, it's continuing, it's showing strength, which I think we will, right? So they fired I think 28 or 48,000 people. That is massive. So that's going to improve their profits. So that is it. I mean, there's nothing else that we need other than just wait. This is why I take my positions are from 6 months to 2 years. 6 months to 2 years, right? This position right here, I think we're holding 1 year and beyond, and then we go from there. This is, I mean, it's, the thing is that when we talk about it beforehand, right, nobody believes in them because they're burned down stocks. We finally see some consolidation at the bottom, and then we go in, right? And that consolidation period can last forever. Even on my parabolic indicator, UPS hasn't shown up yet, and it probably never will because it's such a slow moving stock. So what we want is time. We need time. This is what we don't like, options. We don't like any of these things that restricts us of time. So we have time, we have money, and what percent is SPY doing right now? I think SPY is doing like, I don't know, 14% right now. We're already at that with UPS. So we're good, and it's returning 8%. So, you know, it's a no-brainer for us. So if you want more picks like that, just keep on following me. I'll probably I did a video on all the positions that we have. It's only like 8 of them. We don't really have a lot of positions. The ones that we do take with cash, right, those are swings. So those are like from 1 to 6 months. That's the only time that we want to take these positions. And then we have our long terms, our long-term risky ones. And those are better and open. And they just have economic moat right now. We're hoping for interest rates to go down so much that these, man, that would have hit me in the head. That would have been hilarious. They go down so much on interest rates that the selling of properties continues. And I'm one of these, right? I want to be selling my investment property right now. And it's just, yeah, I can't. So if Open Door kind of takes the lead on that and Better finances these things, we're making a bet that these things are going to like catapult in value. And that's it. Doesn't mean they're guaranteed. That's why you need to size correctly. We show all that in our book, and yeah. Hope this kind of teaches you what we're up to and what we're doing, and it gives you kind of like confidence to hold that UPS position, because you want that for the long term, right? It's already netting you an 8% yield for life. So as long as they don't drop their dividend, you're golden, man, you know? So hope you stay on. It's a low risk asset, meaning that you're not gonna drop it 30, 40%. They already did, right? We don't catch things as they're falling. That's why you set stop losses. But for this one, it's already done. You know, it's already at a value play. So yeah, hope to see you soon.